Hi, as a Monday certified expert, today I have developed and custom Monday CRM form. So it is advanced level form. So I have set up this. So the purpose of recording this video, I want to show you what I have done that help you. First of all, this is form name. Then is task date. Then faculty name, choose someone. Then manager name, then daily inspection. Here I have add action process like condition, daily inspection completed if yes or no. So no, just submit form. If we select submit, like here I add condition, if select submit, then show any issue, identify yes or no. If we select a yes, and then show this issue category, resident, medication, staff issue, environment, and so more. So if select resident, then show this question like this, if yes or no. If we select yes, then residence number here. Perfect. Second is medication. If select medication, so they ask you medication issue yes or no. I have choose action yes, then it will be show here like refill, pharmacy issue new and other. So I have action here add. So when select anyone, so then it should mention here medical issue detail here. Then is staff issue. Staff issue, like here set up a yes, then there will be like a staff issue concern which one. So then I have add here, mention these, then issue detail here. So last is environment. So in environment issue, I have add action process, like when we choose yes, then it will be show environment issue type, put here. Food safety someone, then we select here, then environment detail, then this is submit form. So I want to show you fill up this form. So put here. So here you will see like this is just little bit form and easy to form, but it is a custom field. Like if I select, first I need to select detail. I have select this date, then in my home just select M1 or multiple, then manager name something. If I choose this one, then he asks you daily inspection completed yes or no. If I select yes, just submit form. If I select if I select no, just submit form. If I select yes, then it will be show an issue identified. If I select no, then just submit form. If I select yes, then it will be show issue category. So here for issue category, resident, medication, staff issue, environment. If I select resident, so they will ask like urgent care, or yes or no. If I select no, just submit form. If I select yes, then it will be show me like resident urgent care summary. So delete this everything. If I select issue category in second, medication, so here in medication process he ask me medication issue happened yes or no. If I select no, just close submit form. If I select yes, then ask me medical issue type, like refill, pharmacy new and something. If when I select someone, then he will ask me medication issue detail, put here. So let's say third issue category. If I select staff issues, so in staff issues, like they ask me staff issue yes or no. If I select no, just submit form. If I select yes, and then it will ask me a staff issue concern, performance, discipline, someone. If I select, when I select something, then it will be show staff issue detail here. So this let's see, close this. Last issue category, like here you can see this is like a little bit form. When I select issue, the type is environment, so he will ask me issue environment yes or no. If I select no, submit form. If I select yes, so they ask me environment type like food safety something. When I select something, they ask me yeah, this, and they submit form. So this is like custom advanced Monday form. I have set up this into, like let's check out this is working or not. just go on Monday here and go on main table. So here you can see like upcoming sponsor, and this one Emma home, yes, and initial identify, yes, safety and so more that we have done. So it is overall I have developed this form. Thank you for watching this video and see you in future.